Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I took a 3-week unintentional hiatus on social media, well on YouTube. I was on Instagram kind of. This is my first vlog back, but I did 2 videos last week. One was a recap of everything that I did in 2 days where I was off social media to get my life together and set up the David Allen productivity getting things done method. So you can watch that, I'll link it below. And then I also did an Amazon fashion haul because it's been a minute since I've done one and I've picked up a lot of new things. Those 2 videos, I'll have them linked below, but this is my first vlog back and I am Jenny Humphrey blonde now. There's a little bit of brown obviously still in my hair to keep the dimension, but for the most part, I'm Jenny Humphrey blonde. It was time that I got more blonde put in my hair and perfect for the summer because I'm feeling light, I'm feeling golden retriever energy, I'm feeling like I'm coming out of a fog. It's beautiful, so hence blonder hair. Ignore the absolute chaos that is my office, I need to clean it. Also wanted to mention to pop in editing Siena, my rising sign is Scorpio, and for Scorpio, Taurus, and I forget what other astrology placements are having a shift in everything because the past 3 years were basically like turmoil, we're going through it, and then at the end of May, beginning of June was when things start to feel like a whole transition and it feels like a weight's been lifted, and I so wholeheartedly believe that. Behind the scenes, even though I haven't been vlogging, everything has shifted. I'll sit down and talk more about this in my next vlog because I do want to talk about it. Just saying, if you're into astrology, we'll talk about this in the next vlog, but definitely feel a shift in energy in my life and I would love to sit down and talk about that. But if you guys think I'm annoying for talking too much, then I won't, but just wanted to share that. Today's vlog is all centered around me doing my Sunday reset and redecorating my balcony because yesterday I cleaned up my entire balcony. It was dusty. I have never cleaned my balcony. Cleaned up the balcony. Watch me do that for a quick second. Now that the balcony's clean, I picked up a rug, I picked up some furniture, I picked up some plants. I want to do a mini little herb garden on my balcony again because last time I did a huge one. Not sustainable for me. I am not a gardening queen, so I'm just doing a little pot of herbs because it's nice to have fresh herbs in a pot on your balcony. I don't know. I want to spend more time on my balcony, so I thought it was time for me to get stuff to finish that because we're going to take it room by room to finish this apartment, and first up is the balcony. So that's what we're doing today. We're doing the Sunday reset and we're decorating the balcony. I'm gonna start the Sunday reset by washing my bedding, doing the laundry, doing some quick cleaning, and then hopefully in the couple hours that it takes me to do that, the sun will come out. Which way is the up, girl? I feel like I should change. I changed because I got hot, but I feel like I should be wearing denim shorts for this. Oh. That is the dumbest box I've ever opened. Oh, no. Adult assembly required. Okay, well, I'm not, so I'm just a 25-year-old child. Maybe we start with the rug. Ah, yes. No assembly required for the rug. No, this would happen with my favorite pot. This is where the cactus was gonna go. All I was trying to do was move things. Good morning. It's the next day. I broke my gorgeous pot that was gonna hold the cactus, but fear not. Actually have fear. I went to Target and I couldn't find a replacement pot for it, but I got a plant that I'll just use in place of the cactus. I underestimated how long it would take me to build this. So yesterday I didn't get to finishing the balcony and I didn't finish filming the reel. So the process of me putting together furniture is, I think, think I can do it in 5 minutes. Then I have a little mini breakdown to start the process. I get the hang of it, I get cocky, have another breakdown, and then eventually gets done, but it takes so much longer than I anticipate. I'm gonna take all of this out of here and re-put it on there. This is not how it's going to look. I just put everything out there, but I'm gonna take everything out and then put the stuff back out there, pop the herb garden. Also got a decorative bowl from Target. I don't know, they have a very good selection of things at Target. It is so hard not to buy the entire store, but Target has such good furniture. Had no clue. Had no clue, babes. They've got the stuff that I put in my Sims game. Like, babes, they're really doing the most. Anyway, got a decorative bowl thing for the table out there. Oh, you might also be wondering, why the fuck are you dressed like oat milk? I'm always dressed like oat milk, but I'm wearing summery vibes because even though it's gloomy and hideously disgusting out there, I want this reel, this vlog, this energy to be summery because, vibes, it's June. I'm ready for summer. This is the worst June gloom that we've ever had. It's really messing with my mental health. I'm having mentee bees all the time because of it, but this is like a starting a new chapter vlog. First vlog back in a minute. But yeah, I do feel we'll get into everything in a bit, but let's just work on the balcony for now. Have Barefoot Contessa on because found out that this girly is on HBO Max. Favorite cooking show of all time. I don't have live TV because I feel like not a lot of people do. Missed her, but she's on HBO Max.
Just gonna heat that up.
Queen. So cute. I'm sorry if you can't really hear me. The pot that I broke, I just used the little stand and got this fake plant from Target. I put one of my candles there and then my Palo Santo. The bowl that I got from Target, putting it right here. I don't know what to put in it. I think it kind of looks fine the way it is. And then my little herb garden, which I'll move around so it gets sunlight more. And then I put up the lights, which I'll show you what it looks like at night. Kept the plant stand, little plants there. Okay, ready? But I'm gonna go for a hot girl walk and then go to Barnes & Noble's. Or is it Barnes & Noble? I feel like it's, you wanna say Barnes & Noble's, but it's Barnes & Noble, right? I don't know. I don't care. I'm gonna go book shopping because I have read, surprisingly, all of the nonfiction in my house except for like a couple books, but they're just not the vibes that I want right now. I've been reading a lot of spiritually books and I wanna get back to more psychology, sciencey based nonfiction books. So I am going to pick up some books at Barnes & Noble. Obviously, it's cheaper to get books from Amazon, but I have not been in a bookstore probably since I went to New York last year, so I want to be in the presence of books, and Barnes & Noble's is gonna be that bitch today. So we're just taking ourselves on a little solo date. It's Friday. I think I'm staying in tonight. I'm wearing this hoodie from Rumored, and then this one-piece jumper, romper, I don't know what you want to call it. It's a workout one piece from Amazon, and then I'm just wearing my Reeboks, and my hair is in a little claw clip because yeah, love the coordination we have going on here. I love this phone case. I never really used phone cases. I always just did the clear one. I keep my ID in here, and with a clear case, that's ugly. So I thought, let's be cute because I love everything to be cute in my life. Why wouldn't my phone case be cute? So I picked this baddie up from Amazon. It was only $12. I will link her down below. Love a good creamy moment. And then this white puffy tote is my That Girl tote. I'll never shut up about it. It is the best. this isn't mini, this is all of the books. So it's a book haul. 2 of the books I ordered on Amazon, and then the 2 are the ones that I got today. The first one I got is Behave, The Biology of Humans at Our Best and Worst. I heard this was fantastic, and then I got this bad boy. Cover was the initial reason I was drawn to it, plus I'm a perfectionist. I also think one of you guys recommended me this when I was talking about fixing my perfectionism and books on it. And also, my favorite girl ever, Lori Gottlieb, who wrote my favorite nonfiction book ever, loved it. So obviously I'm trusting her opinion. Also was really drawn to this because it's not, is the word villainizing? I feel like that's not the right word for this, but it's not villainizing or putting any negativity on people who are perfectionists. It's talking about basically using it to your advantage and just how to live with it and it not being this terrible thing. So I liked that angle. And then we got some Robert Greene girlies. I wanted to read The 48 Laws of Power, but I thought, I'm not in a power place right now. So let's just start with Seduction and then more human nature stuff. This was super highly, all of his books were really highly rated, but we got Seduction because I'm that bitch, you know what I'm saying? And I loved that book, Why Men Love Bitches. That was like my Bible. And then I kind of lost touch of that. So we're getting back on it with this, The Laws of Human Nature. This one, these are all kind of like textbooky, except for this one. This one's probably the shortest one. I'm so excited. I don't know which one to read first. Yeah, they're all nonfiction because any fiction that I do read is on my Kindle, and it is library books that I check out because I can check out e-library books with the Libby app. I don't ever want the physical copy of romance books unless it's life-changing. Usually it's not, it's just fluffy and indulgent for me. So I read them on Kindle, and I have read 9 books this year already. I'm so proud of myself because you guys know I've always loved fiction, but I've been struggling with reading nonfiction. I've just struggled with reading and finishing nonfiction over the past few years. So I'm really proud of myself because almost all of the books that I've read this year are nonfiction. Current situation, I went out last night and I don't know what I was on because I wanted McDonald's so bad. I never eat McDonald's, but something in me was like, you gotta have it. So this morning I Grubhubbed McDonald's. Not my proudest moment, but also I probably eat McDonald's once every 6 months. So this is my little 6-month treat. And my son, hello my son. Also, if anyone knows what this is, he had a little skin tag over here, which I know a lot of dogs have those. Addie has had a couple of them, but this one was bleeding. So I don't really know what that is. Should he go to the vet? My little old son, he's like 12 years old now. So that makes me nervous about the thing on his face. He seems fine. Nothing seems wrong with him. So when am I not watching Blacklist is the question. Season 10 is currently airing, so I have to wait every Monday to watch a new episode. But in the meantime, while I wait every week for a new episode, I'm in the Blacklist mood, so I just have been rewatching the show, and I'm on season 4 right now, but I've probably seen the show 4 times through. The current season that's airing is the last season. I don't want to spoil anything, obviously, but if you watch the show and you've watched all of it, DM me on Instagram so we can discuss. Because we need to. Gonna have my McDonald's, gonna watch my Blacklist, and have a lazy Saturday, to be honest. This is what I currently look like because my hair, now that it's blonded, it's more frizzy. This isn't really air dried hair. I blew out my hair, nice perfect straight last night, but then I had a sleepover and I took a shower and the hair didn't really, there was no product and I slept on wet hair, so that's why it looks like this, babes. I look like a little feral rat today, but also I'm wearing my glasses because I don't want to put in contacts. Oh, update. I also forgot to mention that I got contacts, but I'm not wearing them right now because I know I'm probably going to take a nap today. And apparently you can't sleep in them. So I'm just terrified. I know I'll probably get over that and I'll probably be fine to nap in them because I know people who've left them in overnight, which is bad for your eyes, or I guess. I also am just too lazy to put them in because it is a process for me because my eyes just, they're not used to it. So they're like, no vibes. They make it so difficult. I know it'll get easier, but yeah, I got contacts because my vision was so terrible and it was just becoming too much of a problem and I didn't want to wear glasses every time I drove. I am like blind at night when I go out. I have to ask my friends, is anyone cute here? Because I can't see in a distance. At a distance? From a distance? Also, update on the wisdom teeth journey. I know we talked about this a while ago because they were hurting and then it stopped hurting and I went to the dental surgeon and he was like, yeah, you don't have to get them out immediately, but like the best treatment is to get them all removed because all 4 are impacted. And I was like, can I do it after the holidays? And he was like, yeah, it's not really a rush. It's a rush, but it's not like dire that you do it today. And I was like, okay, And then I just let it go. I don't want to let this go for too long because the longer you let it go, the greater chance you have of getting an infection. And I want my teeth to be be nice and perfect vibes. I also want to get aligners, straighten my teeth, and I can't do that until the wisdom teeth are out. I finally made my wisdom teeth appointment and I'm so nervous. I'm going under anesthesia because all 4 are impacted. I'm getting them all removed at the same time. I'm doing it June 21st. I'm not nervous for the pain because I don't think the pain's gonna be an issue. It's the like, I'm just nervous about eating soft foods and like accidentally ruining it, some complications. That's what makes me nervous, and like just the whole being out 4 days with like a swollen face and just being super careful because I'm scared of any complications that happen. That's what I'm afraid of. So if you've had your wisdom teeth removed, please make me feel better in the comments below. So the wisdom teeth and the contacts, those are the 2 things that I have wanted to tell you guys. I think that's it, but I'm gonna enjoy my lazy Saturday and then we'll get back to vlogging when the next week starts. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.